Alright folks, this is what we're making today. Homemade chicken fried steak, oven roasted potatoes, white gravy. It's gonna be good. Y'all come on back now. I like it, I love it. I want some more of it. Good Saturday afternoon, folks. Today we are going to make chicken fried steak, and I picked a wonderful day to deep fry some chicken fried steak when it's 109 degrees outside, but we're gonna get her done. Anyway, we're gonna start with our batter mix. 2 cups of milk. Some people use buttermilk, some people use beer. I've even heard that some people use water. I don't know why you would use water. There's our two cups of milk. We're done with our milk now. You can set that to the side. And then we need some seasoning. So I chose, of course, you know, Big Ranch bullshit. I love it. That's what I'm using. I need a couple of tablespoons of this. Oh yeah, we're gonna be just right on time too. So we got 2, and we use that bottle. Man, I love that stuff. It's good stuff. We need 1 egg. We will crack an egg. Then we will whisk this all together here. So in this bowl, we're gonna put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. There's 1. There we go. That's 2. We'll call that 2. Now we're going to add some baking powder. There's 1. There's 2. And then we are going to use 1 tablespoon.
Wow.
Of cornstarch. That's cornstarch. There we go. Got that in there. I'm going to add a few seasonings to it that I like. I'm going to add some onion powder to this. Just a few shakes. I'm going to add some pepper to this. Just a few shakes. And then I'm going to add some salt. And a few shakes of salt. Then I am going to mix this all up. Get it all mixed up nice and neat. Oh. So what we got is some tenderized cube steak here from our local grocery store. One thing they didn't appear to do when they tenderized it, I like to see it run both directions, and they didn't run it both directions. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to take this out of the package here. I'm going to get that out of the way. Put that in the trash. Then I'm going to take my trusty meat mallet, and I'm just going to whack it a few times just to make sure that this steak is good and tenderized. And also because I just wanted to use my new meat mallet. So oh yeah, that'd be good. So, this is messy, so I suggest that you do this with one hand so that you don't get them both all dirty. We're gonna dip it in there, and then we're gonna put it in. Cool. Pat it down, get it all in there. We want the steak to get nice and covered. Let's set this over here so everybody can see. And then we're going to take it out, give it a little bit of a shake, and we're going to dunk it one more time. It's a double dunker. Let it drain off just a little bit. Put it back in here. Get it some more. We want a nice thick batter on these things. There's one. And just so y'all know, Mother of Smoke is inside the kitchen right now. She's making some potatoes and the white gravy that we're going to have with our chicken fried steak later on. She will be out here shortly, I'm sure, to harass and heckle me, as she always does.
What are you doing?
Is she talking to herself in there?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. I hear voices in the kitchen, and it's Mother of Smoke. She's in there having a conversation with herself.
Hey Kim, what were we doing?
Richard, nothing wrong with that. I talk to myself all the time.
I don't know, Kim. What were we doing? I don't know, but we'll figure it out.
Now, when you're frying these, you want to use, or I want to use, a high temp oil like canola oil. Some people I know use peanut oil and stuff. I kind of tend to like canola oil, so that's what I use. We're going to deep fry these at 350 degrees. So it doesn't take very long, a couple of minutes each side. These steaks aren't that thick. Want them to be kind of a golden brown when we pull them out. Now then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these set here for a minute while that breading gets up in there real good. I'm going to go start the fire and get the grease up to temp, and then we'll be back. Alright, so I got my basket hanging on the side of the pot there so I don't splatter grease everywhere. I'm just going to put a couple of these steaks in here at a time, like that, and then I'll lower it in. And she's frying away, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Typically it only takes about a couple of minutes for each side. I'll flip them over, and it won't take as long after I turn them, it won't take as long. Let me turn my gas down here just a bit. A little too hot. Man, them bad boys are cooking good. Whew, man, I'm gonna tell you, 109 degrees today, folks, and my legs are burning up by this fire. Oh yeah, I think I can go ahead and turn this one, I believe. Let's look. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's a perfect chicken fried steak right there, buddy. Woo, yeah. Let's go ahead and turn this one here. Oh, that's a perfect chicken fried steak right there. Oh yeah. I gotta turn this fire down a little bit more. Shoot. She's cooking. It won't take long for these puppies to be done. I'll bet you that's done. Yes, sir, that's done. Pull it out of there. Set it to the side. Taking these first two out. I'm trying to take these first two out. Nothing wants to cooperate with me here. It's falling apart. Oh, wow. That chicken fried steak there is gonna be tender. And then I'm gonna set these tongs somewhere. Here, I'll set them over here. I'm gonna trade places with these plates. Straighten that basket back up. I'm gonna lay these last two steaks in here. And we'll be ready for a good old taste test here in just a little bit. Let them bad boys cook up. Ooh, yeah, man.
Pretty quick.
Yeah, it doesn't take but like a couple of minutes each side. You want to just get that golden brown on each side, and when you flip it over, all this little white light color in the middle here, you want that to go away. You want it to be this color right here. I'm almost, ow, that's hot. Okay, I want it to be just like that on both sides. Just like that on both sides. That is hot. Usually I can tell by the way it's browning up around the edges here that it's almost ready to flip. We'll take a look at it. Oh yeah, ready to flip. There we go. Ooh, doggies, I wonder if that's too hot to try. That's just the breading, but that's good. That's good breading. That's good stuff there. I can't wait to get this inside and try it. We're just about done here, folks. I love a good chicken fried steak. You know, some people say chicken fried steak is a comfort food. I don't really know what comfort food is, because I like food. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this fire off. Turn our gas off. And that grease is popping over on my bare leg. Let's check it out here. Oh yeah, they're done. Coming off the fire, coming out of the grease. Up here. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. That's gonna be some good stuff right there, folks. All right, hang that right here. Take this in the house. All right, we're gonna go back in where it's cooler. All right, folks, we have our chicken fried steak. We have our whole meal here. We have gravy, we have chicken fried steak. We have roasted potatoes with some bits and particles of Lipton onion soup mix on them. They are actually very, very good. Fruit all over. So now we're going to do a taste test on the chicken fried steak. Man,
put some gravy on it.
That's a good chicken fried steak. So now I shall make me a plate, and we will just pour a little gravy on there. Oh yeah, that's good. That looks good there. And then smear the gravy around. Good gravy. Good golly Miss Molly. All right, we're going to do a taste test with the gravy here. Oh yeah, perfect. I love a good chicken fried steak. Man, that is a home run again, folks. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I'm gonna have me another piece. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Be blessed. Be kind. Have a wonderful Saturday. We'll see you next week.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.